I am here with another palette to swatch with my wife. This is Nightingale Pretty Vulgar Eyeshadow Palette. Let me know in the comment section if you have this palette. It does have a mirror. Here, go ahead and bend that back. And here you can see what the palette looks like. It looks pretty nice. It's a nice looking palette. Alrighty, let's get to swatching. We're going to go ahead and start at the bottom and work our way up. Do it a little different this time. So this one is called All Nighter. That's pretty dark. Oh yeah, that is dark for sure. Alright, so let me hold this for me. Next one is After Midnight. Also dark, but definitely more of a brown or gray. I'm guessing more gray. Yeah, more on the gray side. Next up is called Swoop. And that has browns in it, it looks like, from what I can see here. Oh yeah, definitely have some browns in it. All dark though. This one's Silver Spoon. I used to actually watch a sitcom called Silver Spoons when I was growing up. It starred Ricky Schroeder. Thumbs up if you know that show. Let me know in the comment section if you were a fan of Silver Spoons growing up. I Spy. This is a nice color. Definitely has the brown tones going on. Oh, even almost a little bit of like a copperish feel. Next one over here is called the Flip Out. Flipping out, over flip out. A very brown color. I wouldn't have done the name Flip Out for that color. I'd have gone like 6 feet under. I would have called that color. Because it looks like dirt.
Trying to keep it a little above.
Flip Out needs to be like something that's crazy, like a bright orange or
yellow,
something
green,
wild and
pink at least.
Flipping
with a bunch
out,
of,
but that's just us. Okay, next up is called Clutch. It looks like it's a very pretty, shiny color of maybe gold. Oh yeah, nice, pretty, subtle gold color. Almost looks like it has a little bit of a pink hue to it, but it could just be next to the browns, giving that off. Next up is called Hide and Seek. Wearing these colors, there's no hiding because this is a bold palette. Oh, this is a very delicate color. You can barely see it.
That's why it's hide and seek.
Yeah,
you're gonna hide if you use it.
It's hiding, and you're having to seek for it, but you ain't gonna find it because it's hiding. Next up is called Dark Side. This looks like it's gonna be pretty. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's very similar to this first color, but this one has a little bit of brown in it, I could see. Especially compared to these first two. This definitely has some brown. But it's nice, it's nice. Now we're going up to the Creme de Resistance. This one's called Break Free. It's a very pale shimmer. Very, very pale. Let me dig in there. Now this is a very, I've noticed some of these colors are very hard palette. They're not super soft. They definitely have to dig in a bit. Yeah, that's very subtle. But that's pretty. Basically disappears on the light skin. Next up is called Pillow Fight. It looks like a nice color. I'm digging in a bit. Oh yeah, that's almost your skin tone. Yeah, that one practically completely disappears. And then next up is called Nocturnal. A very peachy shade that this one probably will disappear as well. Yeah, I think that one. It's a little lighter than your skin tone, but it's so close it almost disappears. Yeah, this one disappears completely. It's non-existent. And that is the color of your skin right there. Yeah, I'd say that it's an interesting palette. It's not a palette that I would use just because it just has so many really dark colors. And I'm 51 years old now. I don't need to be wearing stuff that's this dark, and I definitely am trying to stay away from browns.
I'm more loud in your face style colors.
Yeah, so. I think we like a little bit more cheerful. This is a little bit more dark and gloomy on the palette spectrum, but I mean, I do think that they do have some nice colors there. They're just not colors that I would utilize. Other than maybe I would use this one here, maybe this one, and then these lighter ones here. The rest of them, they just wouldn't be for me. Which one is, if any, do you like? Yeah, that is a nice one. Yeah, that's a good brown too. That one has just a hint of red in that brown, as you can see, compared to the one right beside it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing us watch Nightingale Pretty Vulgar.